Today I am going to show you how to log into Clever and then get into Benchmark so that you can take your reading test. When you log into Clever, you're going to click Sign In, and I want you to find the login application that looks like this. It's called Benchmark Education Company. You will click on that, and it will bring you to a page that looks like this. When you get to this page, what I want you to do is click on Assignments. And you will see something that looks like this. It says Unit 2 Assessment. You will click on that. And then what you need to do is you need to open it. And you open it by clicking on this book. A page will open up like this. What I want you to do is we're going to begin by watching this video.
Welcome to Benchmark eAssessments. Watch this video to learn the basics of using the test taker. To start, let's learn how to move around the passages and questions in the test. When you begin a test, use the Next and Back buttons to move from one question to the next. Click or tap on the question box to see a list of all of the questions. Select any question to jump right to it. You'll notice that you can read the passage on the left and answer the questions on the right. Some questions may have more than one passage. If there is audio to listen to, click or tap the button to play or pause the recording. Select the bookmark if you want to remember to look at a question again later. The arrows at the bottom change the size of the passage and question areas if you need more room to read or focus on the question. There are several different types of questions you might find in a test. When you see a circle next to answer choices, it means only one answer can be chosen. Squares mean more than one answer choice can be chosen. Sometimes you will see the choices in a table like this. For some questions, you will need to type your answer. Other questions may ask you to choose an answer from a drop-down menu. Drag and drop words or sentences into boxes, or click to highlight your answer. Keep in mind that some questions will have more than one part that needs to be answered. Benchmark eAssessments include tools that may help you along the way. Click or tap a tool icon to turn it on and off. Drag over the text to highlight the words. If you need to remove your highlights, just do the same thing. Use the line reader to help focus on reading one line of text at a time. Change the size and drag it around as you read. Turn on the image magnifier to get a closer look at a picture or diagram. In the Settings menu, you can make the text larger or smaller, or change the screen's colors. Select Reset to change the screen back to the way it was at first. Choose Help at any time to find out more information about the test taker. When you are working in your test, you may need to take a break. Use the Pause Test button. It saves all your work and allows you to finish the test at another time. When you're done answering all the questions and you're ready to submit the test to your teacher, click End Test. The question summary reminds you of any questions you may have skipped or bookmarked to review. Need to get back to a question? Just click or tap on it. When you're sure you are ready, choose End Test to send it to your teacher. Take your time, read closely, and you'll do great. Click Begin Test now to get started.
All right, now that we've watched the video, what you would do when you're ready is you would click Begin Test. Your test will look like this. You're going to read the passage, then answer the questions. On this side is a story called Cecil the Mouse. It's very important that you read all of the story. On this side, you will answer the questions. So you are going to answer the questions. Once you choose your answer, then you will go to the next one. There are 10 questions that you will need to answer. After you have answered all 10 questions, then you will click End Test. To get to the next question, I click Next, and I can continue going through the different questions. There is a scroll button on this side so that I can scroll down to see what the other choices are. And when I'm ready, I will click End Test and save it and send it to my teacher.